Hello, body fangs, walk through bush. Guys, New Year's have come and gone, okay? You've made it. You've bloody survived it. 2026 is finally here. No more stupid moves with that drunk chummy of yours from Scottish land saying, "Do you want to go take a drive around my 4x4 bakkie? I'll show you how to do a little bit of overlanding." Ja, gaat julle vlieg deur die lug, leave bite marks on the dashboard over there. And you towing a trailer. Die arme ou trailer buig so oor soos 'n warm visser. Knak soos 'n wimbuks. Like this. You know that saying where they say, life is short? It's bloody true when you have stupid chommies like that. And when it comes to New Year's resolutions, ag my maat, ek gaan nooit weer brandewyn drink nie, or eat red meat. Forget about the New Year's resolutions. I'll tell you what, all you need is a brand new Wild Dog bumper. Front and back, and maybe some rock sliders as well. Bash plate, chom. Yeah, so pull yourself towards yourself there and visit Wild Dog Accessories. Get yourself up with some proper 4x4 goeders. Okay, thanks.